In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign into Microsoft Planner using a Microsoft 365 business trial account. We'll go step by step from creating your trial to setting up your business identity to finally accessing Planner. You don't need any previous experience, just follow along as you listen. To use Planner, you first need a Microsoft 365 business identity. This is basically a business account that gives you access to apps like Planner, and you can try it free for 30 days to see if it fits your needs. Start by going to the Microsoft 365 business trial page in your web browser. On that page, you'll see different business plans. Look for the options called Business Basic or Business Standard. Either one will work for Planner. Click the button that says something like Try for Free under the plan you prefer. This begins the process of setting up your trial. Next, you'll be asked how many people this account is for. If it's just you, you can simply choose one user. Then choose whether you want a 1 year or 1 month subscription term. Remember, you're still on a 30-day free trial, but Microsoft asks this so they know what to switch you to if you decide to continue after the trial. You'll also be asked how often you want to be billed, for example, monthly or annually. Pick what makes the most sense for you, and then click Next to continue. You'll now move into the sign-up details. Enter the email address you want to use for setting up the trial and click Next. You may need to type in that email again for confirmation, then click Next once more. After that, choose the option to set up your account. You'll be guided through entering your personal details, such as your name and other basic information. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate, since this will be tied to your business profile. When you're done, click Next. Microsoft may also prompt you to verify your address, so complete that step as well. Now it's time to create your actual business identity, sometimes called a tenant. Even if you're a single person, the system treats you like a small organization. You'll choose a business name that becomes part of your new email address. It will look something like your name at your brand on Microsoft.com. This is the account you'll use to sign in to Planner and other apps. Set a secure password for this new business account, then click Next. To activate the trial, Microsoft needs to verify that you're a real person. You'll be asked to provide a phone number and a credit card. As long as you cancel before the 30 days are up, you won't be charged, but you do need to complete this step. When everything looks correct, click Start Trial. For security, you'll now add extra protection to your account. Microsoft will ask you to install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once it's installed, use the app to scan the QR code shown on your screen and then follow the prompts to finish setting up two-factor authentication. This step helps keep your new business account safe. When that's done, click Start using Microsoft 365. You'll see your new account listed. Pick that account so you're signed in with your fresh business identity. Then complete any remaining setup prompts for Microsoft 365, such as basic organizational preference settings. Now you're ready to access Planner. Open a new browser tab and go to tasks.office.com. Sign in using the new business email address you just created along with its password. Once you're signed in, you'll be in Microsoft Planner and ready to start creating and managing tasks with your new Microsoft 365 business trial.